Hey me. Today I have a Sears Craftsman buffer polisher. I've never seen one of these before, so what am I gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do. We're gonna take this thing apart. I don't even know where to begin. I'm just gonna take a look at it and go from there. See, we got the wheel, the little cover. Let's take that off. Do I dare take this off? And there's the wheel. I like how it has a big emergency button thing right there. Don't hit the big red button. Oh, look. So as you can see, it looks like there's Phillips screws holding this thing together. So let's start by taking those out. One at a time. And I am looking forward to seeing what's inside. And we already kind of established that I like copper, so hopefully, just hopefully, we can get some copper treasure up in here. So let's get these out. The screws really aren't putting up too much of a fight. Oh, just kidding. I was just messing with you. This one is. But we'll get her out. Oh yeah, look at that. She's coming right out of there. And we've got, oh, hold on a minute. Oh, there we go. Yeah, look at that. Ooh, that was a little difficult. No big deal. We're down to one left. Then we get to the fun part. I think one of these days I should get a GoPro so that way everyone can kind of see the top-down version of this. All right. Oh, hello. It just pops right off. Okay. So you can see it's kind of, there we go. All right, so that's the cover. We got like a big motor in there. Look at that. Interesting. Okay. So let's start by taking these out. You know, if you never hear from me again, I most likely blew myself up somehow. Just saying. This one might go even quicker than the lamp. Oh, okay, so that was just holding the cords in, as we can see. Let's go ahead and pull these off. Wow, look at that, and just like that, we're already to the motor section. Oh, I can't wait to see what's inside. Here we go. So it's fastened by two more Phillips head screws. And let's go to town. Holy Moses, those are in there. Good Lord. This might take a second. Get my forearm workout in for the day. If you haven't worked out your forearms today, work them out. You can work them out right now while I'm talking to you. If you know what I mean. You just grab a couple dumbbells and go to town. I wasn't talking about what you think I meant, you pervert. Anyways, ooh, these are really in there. Whoa. Yikes. I'm telling you, one of these days, I'm gonna get into something I probably shouldn't have got into, and that's going to be the end of me. But a wise man once said, if he dies, he dies. Oh man. So here's the inside of that. Look at that. Oh, look at that sweet, sweet copper. Wow, that's massive. I'm not a science guy, but that looks like some kind of crazy Iron Man stuff going on up in there. Well, the question is, it wobbles, so how can I get it out? There's no screws on the inside. So I'm thinking maybe the only way... Oh, hold on a minute. Did you see that? It kind of rotated. I wonder if it... Oh, what's this? It's coming a little loose here. Oh, okay. So we got the shell off. Now look at that. That's magnificent. You see all that? And it just spins. Oh, it spins freely with the buffer. Now the next fun part is how are we going to get that off? Oh, let's find out. You can't just pull it off. I wonder if I can get the pad off. The pad is definitely glued. Oh, it's really glued. Okay, I think I see what's going on. You can't really see it, but underneath here there's a bunch of screws. So we may have to go a little ape here for a second. I felt like I made some progress there, you know. This might be oh, that's not good. That didn't sound healthy. This might be a take apart ape edition. May just have to. It like wants to come out. Come on. Come on. Come on, SpongeBob. Oh. Well, that wasn't good. All right, guys. We may have to disassemble Ape Edition. I'd much rather not, but I feel like this may be the only way. Because it doesn't want to, seems to not want to go. None of the parts twist. It almost makes me wonder how on earth, get this pad out of here. Oh, well, that sucks. Oh, there's a big bolt. Oh, you can't, my bad, guys. There's a big bolt right there in the center. Look at that. And there it is right there, guys. There it is right there. Oh. Now, how on earth am I going to get to that? I'm just making all sorts of a mess here, aren't I? I've got some pliers. I'll kind of work at it a little bit here. That does not... Wait. Oh. It looks like it's really like ingrained in there, so I don't know. Let's see. I can just scrape around it. I just need to be able to get the pliers around that piece. I don't have any advanced tools that I can use because, you know, I'm not cool enough just yet. Hold on a minute. Oh, that's going to be a lot harder than I thought. All right, guys, I was thinking this could have been like a 15-minute ordeal, but looks to me like I might be here just a little minute. The bolt is connected to the I'm going to assume it's an electromagnet, you know, so we just gotta get in there and kill that shit. The hard part is going to be getting it off without spinning the magnet, which honestly, oh, here we go. I think we're getting somewhere. I could be wrong though. Oh, check it out, guys. Check it out. Look at this thing. Whoa, that is cool looking, is it not? Wow. That's awesome. What's crazy is I took a little inflatable apart not too long ago, and exact same thing, just smaller. This is awesome. Let's see what else is going on. Well, it looks pretty straightforward, right? That's where it went through. You can see the screws which hold the rest of the piece on. Let's check that out. Let's see. You know, this might be under 15 minutes after all. Man, that core looks crazy. I don't know why, I just really enjoy getting down to the bare basics of these things. Let's see. Oops. Let's finish this the rest of the way. Oh, there you go, look at that. And then these little screws hold this little bearing in, and that's it. Complete disassembly of the buffer. How cool is that? And then this. Oh yeah. Oh man, look at that. I can't get enough of it. It's fantastic. Anyways, well, till I find something else. Take care now.